I know na both of us parang went on our own path na I'm sure nag-grow kami individually, and now I'm so excited to see kung ano yung naging growth namin. And nakakamiss kasi di ba pag yung mga kaibigan mo, makaka-work mo ulit.
Yes.
So, I'm really, really happy. Ikaw ba? Masaya ka ba?
Miss you too. It's been a while, you know. I mean, it was almost 2 years na hindi tayo nag-work talaga. I mean, we had a good run sa Spark with you, and I appreciate the network for entrusting us with a very special show. I mean, Born to Shine, as you guys can see from sa AVP. It's a very, very well-produced show about a story about cleaning. And the story revolves around the perspective of Zeph's character, si Jenny, and dito makikita nyo yung story na pangarap niya. And natutuwa ako because this is a reunion project for us. And I can really see that from Zeph. I mean, she was one of the first people I met here sa Philippines, and unang na-notice ko sa kanya, hinahabol niya ang pangarap niya. So the show, I'm excited for you kasi you're born to shine, Zeph. And I'm just happy to be here to support her on a special project, and you guys can see she really gave it her all. So please, supportahan niyo ang reunion project namin.
Grabe,